Hello children, welcome back to our SST class. Children, in this chapter we have been learning about the travel system, how man has developed in their traveling. So previously man used their feet to go from one place to another. Gradually they started taming the animals and they then developed the wheels to go from one place to another. Now, along with the invention of wheels, different modes of transportation also came into existence. That was the land transport, water transport, and now we are going to study about the air transport. In the beginning of 20th century, Wright brothers invented the world's first aeroplane and which could fly for a short distance at a slow speed and at a lower height. So, at the beginning of 20th century, Wilbur and Oliver Wright brothers, invented the world's first aeroplane which could fly for a short distance at a slow speed and at a lower height. Gradually, as the time passed, air transport reached new heights and today we have supersonic jets and airbuses. These supersonic jets and airbuses carry passengers and goods by air from one city to another in the shortest time possible. Now, with the invention of rocket, man started traveling from the earth to the moon. Modern technology has redefined transportation. Long or short distances can now easily be traveled in a day's time. So children, previously what happened? People used to travel on foot, then on wheels. Gradually they came on wheels and they took a long time to travel from one place to another. So with the decrease in the time span, they developed the aeroplanes which made their traveling more easier. So children, when people used to take a longer period of time for days and months, now their traveling has become shorter and faster within a few hours. So long distance travel is within few hours. Now let's see what we have to do in our exercises. Put a tick on the correct option. Let's see which is the correct option. This animal is used as means of transport. So is it monkey, lion, or horse? It is the horse. An environmental friendly fuel is diesel, CNG, or petrol? It is the CNG. What steam engine was invented in 1769? Which vehicle is used to go to the moon? Is it ship, helicopter, or rocket? It is the rocket. So this is all. Then fill in the blanks. The invention of the dash changed the way people traveled. Invention of what? It is the invention of wheel. The full form of CNG is compressed, COMPRESSED, compressed natural gas. The first train in India ran between Mumbai and Thane. Dash invented the first steam engine. Now this is something very nice and you all must be knowing it, who invented the steam engine. So children, the rest of the questions will be solved by you. So these two, fill in the blanks, and the true and false will be all done by you. So find out the answers to these questions after reading and studying the chapter thoroughly. So till we meet again, it is bye bye and have a nice day.